Greetings. Today, I want to cover some basics of Recon-ng. You see, rather than manually searching for the data from innumerable datasets, Recon-ng enables you to automate your data searches, saving you time and energy. Once you open this software, you enter a shell-like environment where you can configure options, perform recon, and output results to different report systems. Recon-ng was developed by Tim Toms while at Black Hills Information Security. He developed it as a Python script and tried to model its usage after Metasploit, making it easy for a pen tester with Metasploit skills to use Recon-ng with a very short learning curve. It is built into Kali, so there's no need to download or install anything. I think this is a good tool to find subdomains. Subdomains are also commonly used to separate a section of a website from the main site. For example, blog.tesla.com and shop.tesla.com direct to the blog and online store respectively. Subdomains make it simple for you to organize the various functions of your website, while also making it easier for users to find these different functions. You can also use subdomains to create localized content. For example, if you run a restaurant chain with multiple locations, customers can visit www.myrestaurant.com for all-encompassing content. Or, customers looking for the menu at your Nashville, Tennessee location can access this information via nashville.myrestaurant.com. For the sake of this video, I'm performing reconnaissance on a university in order to find subdomains. To start running Recon-ng, and type modules lol hacker target. Then show options. Set the target by typing the main site. Options set source unitech.edu. Select info, then input. And run the module. Here, it will display a list of all subdomains associated to our target, including host and the IP address. Copy the host in a web browser. See the hub.unitech.edu brings us to a subdomain where students are encouraged to network and share business ideas. This is basically an incubator for small businesses. The next option takes us to the subdomain imagine.unitech.edu. This is a learning lab where the institution promotes technological and entrepreneurial skills. The third option features a blog run by the university. They talk about coding camps for 2022, business innovation, and entrepreneurship across different cities. They also seem to cover other topics such as health and technology. Finally, we're going to take a look at a subdomain called cry.unitech.edu. Now, this is interesting because it seems to be a database for students to access a wide variety of ebooks and publications, including scientific and magazines, and thesis.